Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, I have my first ever Fashionphile unboxing on this channel. I'm quite excited. I'm a little perplexed and confused because this box looks relatively small for what should be inside, but I'm gonna unpack it, open it up, and be surprised with you guys because it's sealed shut. I haven't opened it. I just took off the packaging label because I don't want y'all to see where I live. Like y'all and all that good stuff, but I don't like unwelcome guests. And so this is a Louis Vuitton item. It is a bag. And also with that being said, it's my first bag purchase of 2024. And I'm so freaking excited about this bag. And so with that being said, keeping this intro short, simple, and sweet, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below in the comment section, like once you see me unboxing it and once you see what bag it is, if you like it. Fashionphile, you guys, the shopping process for me is always a hit and a miss. I've ordered small things on the website, but I think this is my first ever handbag from them. I've sent in bags for offers and they've always lowballed me, ridiculous lowballs. I remember I sent in my favorite thinking they would at least send me, I don't know, 600 bucks for it, and they offered me $150 or $200 for my favorite, and I didn't use it at the time when I sent it in, and they were selling them on the website I think for $2,000 something. It was when they just got discontinued and the hype happened, and I was like, y'all have lost your dang mind. And so they've sort of put me off buying from them, but they have an amazing selection of items and they have really good deals if you're willing to sift through all of the that they have, because I feel it's diamonds mixed in with garbage. And so I think I found a diamond from the description, from the pictures, from everything that they showed on the website regarding this bag. I hope that I found a diamond because if it's garbage, it's going right back. And so yeah, going into the unboxing. This is a duplicate. I'm trying to give you hints of what it is. This is a duplicate, and I have the other bag that I'm going to show you when I unbox this one to see if it's bigger, smaller, or what the deal is, because this box, I told y'all, it's really concerning me about how big this bag is, because I thought it was going to be extremely big, but apparently not. Hold up now. I'm about to hurt myself. Oh my Lord. These scissors are so ranky and okay, maybe I just pull it apart. I mean, they package it really well. So it's not going, y'all. Wow. You have one job, Haley, and it's to open a package. And I don't know what type of tape. This is tape with the strength of Jesus and God and the Holy Spirit. Look how cute this is. Oh, look at how cute. And it has all this little confetti. I don't like this confetti. I know some people, they think that's something special about buying from the store or for the website, but I don't like that. That's what it looks like, you guys. And so let's get to, oh, oh, I can already feel it. And the dust bag. Oh, let's see. It comes in a Fashionphile dust bag, and I'm trying to figure out if you guys can tell what it is. Probably not. What comes in this box actually before I show you guys the bag? Oh, so much suspense, so much drama, so much all of it. What is this? Oh, it's a calendar. That's actually pretty cute. I'm gonna keep this in my closet. And a nail file. I think that's something that they normally send. I don't know, but let's put this box away. And this is the bag, you guys, and it feels so amazing. I don't know, I can't believe it fit in there. Interesting. So you open it up and you take the drawstring and then you pull out the bag, and it is the bag is backwards, you guys. It's not me, it's Fashionphile. It is the Louis Vuitton Capucines PM in Galette. I don't, y'all know pronunciation and me, we're not on good terms, but this bag, oh, it looks so, oh, I cussed. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. this bag, wow, it's so much prettier than I thought it would be, and it's not as huge as I thought it would be. Oh no, that is not a good thing, because that means that I really, really, really love it and I really want to keep it. The reason I purchased this, I guess we can go right into more of the shopping experience. I was shopping during their, I think it was like Black Friday going into their New Year's sales event. They had an extra 10% off a lot of sale items, if I'm not mistaken. And granted, the Capucines, they were not part of that, or I feel decent conditioned, neutral colored Capucines were not part of the 10% extra discount. A lot of colors were. I found an amazing deal on a Capucines that was a PM in navy blue for like $1,900 or $2,000, and it looked decent condition. It wasn't excellent or amazing, but it still looked, in my opinion, very good. And so there were a bunch of little hodgepodge pieces in there that I was looking for. There was this beautiful rectangular mini from Chanel that was $4,200, and it was like this tweed blue pretty bag. And I saw this bag and I thought that it was 10% off on top of what the price was, but it wasn't. And I was like, oh, that is tragic. And I was like, well, am I getting bamboozled here? So I just put it in my cart and I let it sit there. And I think it was $3,700 at the time, something around there, give or take. And then I got a notification that it went down anyways in price, or I don't remember what the main price was of this bag, but I got a notification that said it was a discount alert, a price alert, and it went down to $3,300 or $3,400. And then I thought to myself, you know what? You've been wanting this bag in a neutral color for so long, and this price is really good. And maybe I could have gotten an extra 10% off on the bag, but the Gallet colors of this bag were just like going away and dropping off like daisies, because I had so many in my shopping list or my love list on Fashionphile. And when I logged back in like 2 days later, all of the freaking bags were gone except for this one. And I was like, why didn't y'all get this one? And I think it's because I had BBs and PMs, and all of the BBs were just like going away, going away. They have more now in, but they're also, I think, $1,000 or almost $1,500 more than what I saw them for, because they were in the lower 3,000s and now they were in the lower 4,000 upwards of the upper 4,000s. And so I was like, oh no, no, no. So I got this one just wanting to see it, because like I said, with Fashionphile, it's a hit and miss. You don't know how good something's going to be until you actually see it. And I feel they have different people and different standards and different tiers of what standard, like what thing actually, like what is it called, condition actually means to someone else. Because I have seen excellent bags that I personally would list under good or fair condition, and then I see bags in the good category condition and I would put them in giftable or in excellent, and I'm like, what is going on? And so it really is like the lottery with Fashionphile. And so this is the Capucines that I got, and that was a lot of talking. I'm so sorry, you guys. Oh, it comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag, y'all. Uh-oh, come through. Oh, who did this belong to before? I feel like I'm getting somewhat, oh, and it still has, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, it still has plastic on this little lotus emblem here. Wait, because this bag's old. Has this person not worn this bag ever? It really, y'all, when I tell you that this does not look worn at all, I don't know. And it's so strange because this is an older bag. I'm pretty sure this is from 2019. Aside from that, it looks really freaking good. Oh my Lord. But the crazy thing is, now that I have this one compared to this one, this is the BB, this is the PM, you guys. This feels a lot heavier. I don't know if it is, but it just feels a lot heavier compared to this. It could be also that I have the chain in here, and the chain is the metal chain, and it might be a little bit heavier than the leather. I don't know. It's this chain, so maybe that has something to do with it, but this one feels a lot heavier than this one. And the size difference is really not that noticeable. So I just got done going over the bag in detail and I'm a little perplexed, and hopefully someone can help me out in the comment section because y'all are very knowledgeable when it comes to Louis Vuitton or just luxury in general. And I want to know if the sizing for what is considered the PM has changed. I don't know what happened, because the reason I'm bringing this up, when I'm comparing this to my BB, I did this off camera, they are exactly the same size. I can try to measure them and maybe I'll include that later on in the video, but putting them even side by side, like let's say this, putting just the feet on one another, this is very hard to do. It's a lot harder than I thought it would be. But do you guys see that it's the same freaking size? Do y'all not see that it's the same size bag? So did the PM become the BB over time, or did they send me the wrong bag? I don't know, because they look so much alike. Like this bag is supposed to be relatively bigger than this bag. I've watched so many reviews, you guys, and this is supposed to look actually bigger. So I'm wondering, did they maybe give me a BB instead of a PM? They really are the same exact size, you guys. And I can't believe, I can't be crazy. I mean, I can be crazy and maybe I am, but I need other people to see it as well. This is the bag, you guys. I'm very happy to own it. Like I said, I purchased it to just see it in person because I've been really wanting this bag. I've been really wanting it in this color, or at least a neutral of some sort. But like I said, it was such a good price for me that I couldn't help myself, and so I'm most likely going to keep this bag, and I'm probably going to get a cute little twilly, something like this, but maybe black and nude and beige and gold, because I think that would look really nice in this bag and it would still keep its neutral flare. I mean, I'm most likely gonna pop a pink twilly or something, a very bright twilly on this as well to add a little pizzazz. But I feel like I did a really good purchase, or I made a really good choice, because now I have two very different bags in my opinion. And it's not something where my Longchamp Puree that I talked about in my handbag collection or my worst purchase video, where I have two bags that are very similar. These are two bags. Yes, they are almost identical, but the color combination and just the specs of them make them very different bags for very different occasions. And I feel like this is the older sister and this is the young fun sister, or this is like the mom and this is like the cool fun aunt. And so yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. You are going right here, and I will include, I think, a video of me trying to measure the bottom of the bag to show you guys, or just show a video of them sitting on the counter next to one another, because they are literally the same exact freaking size, you guys. There's no way that anyone can tell me that these are different bags and different sizes. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye. So this is how the bags look on display, and mine is a little bit fatter and juicier because I actually stuff it, and this was probably stuffed in a box, stuffed in a warehouse, and it needs time to blossom and bloom into its beautiful form. But as you can tell, it's not like this one's any bigger. It shouldn't be. And then you turn it to where it's, you know, facing one another, front and back, and the beige one is not sticking out anywhere. It's actually behind the blue, but I'm going to put them up against one another like this. And wait, I got to make it even because it's a little uneven, but that's what it looks like with one in front of the other. And there's not that much, like this is not sticking out, I don't know, at all, maybe just a little, but then when you go onto this side, it doesn't stick out. So I feel like they're literally the same size. Like there's no telling me that these are not different size bag, or they are not the same size bag. So I am going to measure the bottoms, or actually I'll just do it like this so you guys can see. So this one is like 10.5, I would say, if I'm being generous. And then this one is 10.5. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's also about 10.5 if I'm being generous. I probably have to turn it over on its side. Hold on, I'll do that as well. Okay, then we're gonna do it like this. This one is right at the second mark over the half. And so moving over here, this is right at the 1 mark. Wait, 1 mark over the half. So what is that, a centimeter? It's not really a centimeter, is it? It's like a little fraction, 1/10 of an inch smaller. Well, actually, no, it's sitting right in between the 1 and the 2. So it's a half of a 1/10 of an inch smaller, like, I guess you could say more compact. So my theory is not far off. My little $20 Target toolbox has come in handy for the Fashionphile conspiracy theories here on my channel. But I think what I'm going to do is get this authenticated through a third-party website and not really trust Fashionphile's authenticity, how do you say, claim, because it is a little sketchy for me that they are a little bit different in size. I know that can happen, but that they sent me the wrong bag in the wrong size, and that the sizing doesn't necessarily match my in-store purchased BB from Louis Vuitton. We shall see. So I'm going to write Fashionphile. I'm going to get this authenticated, and then maybe I'll do an update on the whole situation with you guys to let you know how it went. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and have a wonderful day.